Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Nano Banana with Google Lens for free, step by step. This is Google's new AI image tool that lets you create or edit photos instantly using just your phone. And yes, you can do it without paying a cent. First, make sure your Google app is up to date. Go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and update the Google app to the latest version. This is important because the Nano Banana feature only appears in the most recent updates. Once that's done, open the Google app. In the search bar, you'll see a small camera icon. That's Google Lens. Tap it to open Google Lens. Now, here's the key part. Look for the new Create tab or mode. It's the one that sometimes shows a little yellow banana emoji near the shutter button. When you see that, you know the Nano Banana AI model is active. You'll have 3 ways to start. First, you can use your camera to take a new photo. Second, you can pick an existing picture from your gallery. Or third, you can tap Create Image to make something brand new from a text prompt, like generating an AI artwork from scratch. Once your image is loaded, you'll see a prompt box. That's where the magic happens. Just type in what kind of edit or creation you want. For example, you could type, change the background to a neon cityscape. Make me look like a watercolor painting. Or add a golden crown to the cat. Nano Banana will process your image in a few seconds and show you the edited result. If you're happy with it, you can download it directly to your phone or share it right away on social media. That's it. You've just used Nano Banana with Google Lens for free. It's quick, creative, and fun. Perfect for generating AI-style edits without needing expensive software. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video. Drop a comment about what prompt worked best for you, and subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.